Hi friends, welcome. Welcome to an in-depth comparison between Python and Java, the two titans in programming world. Today, we will navigate through their nuances in syntax, performance, ecosystem and use cases, aiding you in selecting the perfect language for your next endeavor. Python beacons with its elegant, straightforward syntax promoting readability and simplicity. Conversely, Java adheres to a more verbose style demanding explicitly typed declarations and boilerplate code. Python is interpreted, which means it may not perform as well as Java, especially in tasks that requires a lot of processing power. Java, on the other hand, is compiled, which optimizes its performance, making it great for handling demanding applications. Python offers a wide range of libraries like Django for web development and TensorFlow for machine learning. Java, on the other hand, is well suited for large scale projects, with frameworks like Spring and Hibernate catering to an enterprise level needs. Python has a vibrant community with extensive documentation and online resources, making it inclusive and accessible. Java, backed by corporation, has a matured community offering enterprise-focused tools and support. Python is great for quick prototyping, data analysis, and scripting because it's user-friendly. Java, on the other hand, shines in enterprise applications, Android development, and high-performance system, prioritizing speed and scalability. Both Python and Java present a tapestry of strengths and weaknesses tailored to diverse development needs and preferences. Opt for Python agility in quick development and data centric projects or harness Java robustness for enterprise application and performance centric endeavors. Thank you, friends, for joining us on this exploration of Python and Java. Which language resonates with you and why? Share your insights in the comments below. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more programming insights and tutorials. Thank you.